Welcome to today's special video. We will take you to the most dangerous moments where even a small mistake can lead to a catastrophic accident experience. These stressful situations. And always remember that it is very important to stay alert on the road. Let's get started. A truck carrying wind turbine blades had a hard time crossing the railway until a train came. A Dutch cyclist miraculously escaped being hit by a train after crossing a level crossing with clear vision. The incident happened at around 7:30 today in Skokie in the Puławy municipality. The 53-year-old Ford passenger car driver collided with a freight train traveling from Dublin to Puławy. The situation was dangerous, and fortunately the driver escaped uninjured. September 12, 2017, North Carolina, USA. A young girl's car stalled on the tracks.
Whoa!
Recklessly crossing the barrier, the pickup truck was thrown away by the train. The incident happened in Poland and was recorded by surveillance cameras showing the ambulance trying to cross the railway tracks when the train barriers were closed. Drama at the intersection, accident seen on train dashcam. The driver of a passenger bus at the railway and road level crossing in Blachownia in the province was hit by a freight train. Train crashes into 18-wheeler trailer carrying wind turbine blades in Luling. Almost lost his life trying to cross the railway when the train was coming. The train barrier was lowered. The young man almost paid with his life. The accident happened in Russia when a driver tried to drive a Nissan Tiana across the railway tracks on a narrow pedestrian crossing.
Hits a truck that's stuck on a crossing. The driver can be seen getting down from the truck and running away to safety. Seconds later, the locomotive slams into the truck.
Train in the U.S. crashed into a truck stuck on the railroad tracks. No one was injured.
To safety. Seconds later, the locomotive slams into the truck. The train driver was reported to be unhurt.
The adventures of two silly cyclists thrown aside by a train coming in front of them. Railway accident, high-speed train crashes into tractor, big fire breaks out. A truck carrying wind turbine blades had a hard time crossing the railway until a train came.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
The incident happened at around 7:30 today in Skokie in the Puoli municipality. The 53-year-old Ford passenger car driver collided with a freight train traveling from Dublin to Puoli. The situation was dangerous, and fortunately the driver escaped uninjured.
Go to churchillmortgage.com today.
FederalistConsumerAccess.org. Equal housing lender. 1749 Mallory Lane, Suite 100.
September 12, 2017, North Carolina, USA. A young girl's car stalled on the tracks. A Dutch cyclist miraculously escaped being hit by a train after crossing a level crossing with clear vision. The incident happened in Poland and was recorded by surveillance cameras showing the ambulance trying to cross the railway tracks when the train barriers were closed. The driver of a passenger bus at the railway and road level crossing in Blachionia in the province was hit by a freight train. Recklessly crossing the barrier, the pickup truck was thrown away by the train. Drama at the intersection. Accident seen on train dash cam. The adventures of two silly cyclists thrown aside by a train coming in front of them. Train crashes into 18-wheeler trailer carrying wind turbine blades and luling. The train barrier was lowered, the young man almost paid with his life. Train in the U.S. crashed into a truck stuck on the railroad tracks. No one was injured. Almost lost his life trying to cross the railway when the train was coming. The accident happened in Russia when a driver tried to drive a Nissan Tiana across the railway tracks on a narrow pedestrian crossing. High-speed train crashes into tractor. Big fire breaks out. Bay County, Michigan, on Friday afternoon, July 21, 2023. The tanker car was not carrying hazardous materials and no one was injured. Vrock had an accident at a Polish railway crossing, but was lucky to have backed up in time. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.